Ellie, what are you eating? What are you eating? What's this? What? What are these? What are those? What are you eating? What are they? What is that?
Oh gosh.
Oh gosh, what is that?
Peppa Ock.
Uh-huh. What is it though? What are these?
Peppa Pig.
Yeah, straw babies? Are they yummy?
Oh.
Oh.
Bye-bye.
Uh-huh. Are they yummy?
You want me?
Yeah, they're yummy.
You love me?
They're yummy, uh-huh. Well, get one. Eat another one. Use your fork. Can you get it? Can you get it? No, I'm just going to use your fingers. That's okay, too. Oh, you're just trying to... Okay, I see. You want Mommy to help just a little bit?
Okay.
Okay. Here you go. All right, eat it. Yum, yum. You gonna eat it?
Oh, guys.
Oh, guys. Eat it. Eat the straw baby. Ellie. Eat it, darling. Eat it. Yay! Yum, yum! So we made this video just for Uncle Clayton and Aunt Shannon. Say thank you for the straw babies. Ellie, say thank you for the straw babies. Say thank you for the straw babies. Ellie, bye. Bye.
Bye.
Mom kiss.
Bye.
Bye. Say thank you for the straw babies.
Yippee.
For the strawberries. For the strawberries. No more. We got it twice.
She learned that from, I don't know where she got it from.